Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. We're still here in Vegas, taking a break from CES 2019 to take a look at this phone, our first unboxing of 2019, and what an exciting one it is. This is our Honor View20 unboxing and hands-on. All right, let's get right to it. The box of the Honor View20 looks like this. There's a photo of the phone here up front, which doesn't necessarily match the color of the phone, because if you look closely, here it says we have the Phantom Red version, which I hear is going to have a more limited release compared to the blue one. Let's peel off the plastic and lift the lid off. There we go, the Honor View20. What sets the phone apart from most of its competition is this bit up here, the hole punch selfie camera, because the notch is so 2018. Turning it around, you'll see we do have the red variant. As per usual, let's set this aside for now and see what else is inside the box. SIM ejector tool, jelly case, supercharged USB-C cable, and supercharged wall adapter. Now it's time to peel this plastic off. Wow, I really like the subtle V pattern that shows up when the light hits it right. And I'm looking at our video doesn't quite do it justice. Nice, it makes the phone look really unique. Okay, let's peel this off too and set up the phone for the first time. And while we do, roll spec sheet. Button and port placements are like this: microphone, USB-C, and speaker grills at the bottom. Some sensors, another microphone, and a headphone jack up top. Power button and volume rocker are on the right, and dual nano SIM card tray on the left. The fingerprint sensor is also at the back. The View20 is headlined by the largest sensor ever seen on a smartphone camera, 48 megapixels to be exact, a 3D sensing time-of-flight camera, and a notchless edge-to-edge display, except for a small punch hole for that selfie camera. We've only used the phone for a few days, but you know us here at GadgetMatch, we love ourselves some value-for-money devices, and the View20 is exactly that. It's got top-of-the-line specs like premium flagship smartphones, but retails for half the price. And that was our Honor View20 unboxing and hands-on. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. Our review video should be coming out when the phone launches in Paris on the 22nd of January. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.